what is a modal? Modal verb is a type of verb that is used to indicate modality, that is likelihood, ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestion, order, obligation, advice. बेसिकली मॉडल्स जो है ना वो हमें सेंटेंस का मूड बताते हैं कि उस सेंटेंस में हमें क्या बताया जा रहा है, कोई एडवाइस दी जा रही है, कोई सजेशन दिया जा रहा है, या फिर हमें कोई परमिशन लेनी है, और या फिर हमें कोई ऑब्लिगेशन है, वो सारी चीजें जो सेंटेंस में बताया जा रहा है ना, दैट्स अ मॉडल. And the most common modals are can, could, may, might, shall, will, should, must not, ought to, would, dare, etc. And the most common features of modals are they are never used alone. They are always used with the principles of modals are they are never used alone. They are always used with the principal verb. अब modals जो होते हैं ना उनको कभी अकेले यूज नहीं करते, उनके साथ हमेशा एक principal verb होगा. Let's take an example. He can climb a tree. अब यहाँ पे हमारा मॉडल क्या है, can, और हमारा प्रिंसिपल वर्ब क्या है यहाँ पे, climb. तो यहाँ पे एक प्रिंसिपल वर्ब जो है वो साथ में यूज किया गया. Another modals are always followed by the base or the first form of verb. अब यहाँ पे सेंटेंस है I can play sitar. अब यहाँ पे मॉडल के आने के बाद नेक्स्ट जो है हमारी फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ही हमने यूज किया है, play. In the next sentence also, you should work hard. यहाँ पे भी हमने first form of verb ही use की है, work. Can. Where is can used? Can is used when we are talking about ability, suggestion or request. For example, I can play basketball. तो ये मेरी ability है कि मैं basketball खेल सकती हूँ. Next is, can you make some coffee for me? That's a request. You can call a taxi. That's a suggestion. तो जब भी हम ability या request और is the past form of can, and it is used when we are talking about a polite request or a possibility. For example, she said she could pay for you as well. तो यहाँ पे हमने past form use की है can की. Next is, could you please lend me this book? यहाँ पे एक polite request की गई है. It could be that he missed the train. That's a possibility. Whenever we are talking about the polite request or a possibility, or we have to use the past form of can, we use could. May. May is also used when we are talking about possibility and formal request or permission. For example, it may rain tomorrow. That's a possibility. May I speak? That's a formal request or a permission. Next is the past form of may, and it also and whenever we are talking about possibility, we can use the word might. He said he might change his mind. That's the past form of may. Your purse might be in the living room. That's a possibility. Next is must is used when we are talking about obligation, or when we are talking about something that certainly that something is true. You must obey the law. That is dark outside. That is a certainty that something is true, that it must be dark outside. Next is must not. It is also used when we are talking about prohibition. For example, you must not drive without a license. You must not smoke in here. So we are using the modal must not. Next is used when we are talking about advice. जब हमने किसी को advise करनी है तो we are using the modal should. You should eat green vegetables. You should quit smoking. तो यहाँ पे हम advice दे रहे हैं किसी को कि आपको green vegetables खाने चाहिए, आपको smoking जो है वो quit कर देनी चाहिए. Ought to, the use of ought to is the right thing to do or advice. For example, you ought to apologize. We ought to do more exercise. So that is the right thing to do, that we ought to do more exercise. And the advice is that you ought to apologize. Next is will. Will is used when we are talking about future actions or promises and intentions. For example, Tom will go there tomorrow. That's a future action, that Tom will go there. And promises, I will pick you up at around 6. So we are using the modal will here. Next is would is the past form of will, and whenever we are talking about a polite request or an offer, we use the modal would. He told me he would come. That's the past form of will. So we are using the word told here. That's the past form, right? So we cannot use here will. We have to use the past form of will, that is would. Would you please sit down? That's a polite request. Would you like to have some tea? That's an offer. Next is tea. That's an offer. Next is shall. Shall is used with the first person to express simple future only when time is involved. जब हमें time दिया गया ना तो हम क्या use करेंगे? Shall. We shall leave for Kolkata this evening. तो यहाँ पे हमें time दिया गया है this evening. And another use is when we are talking about questions and suggestions for I and we. Let's continue. Shall we? तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या use किया? Shall. Next is dare. Dare is used to express the meaning be bold enough to. For example, how dare you speak to me like that. तो यहाँ पे इस sentence में हमें एक meaning पता चल रहा है किसका? Be bold enough to. आप बहुत ज़्यादा bold है कि आपने ये मुझे बात कैसे कही. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या modal use किया यहाँ पे? Dare. So with this, we come to the end of the lesson, and I hope that you all understood the modals. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए।